Oh.
Do that
Chill, bro.
spook thing at him.
Chill, bro. Do monocle spook at him.
Okay. I'm not sure if he's laughing at us or he's scared out of his wits.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey.
Sorry for the video. I know.
Crying.
It likes my attempt at
He's the guy's red shirt. He doesn't like it. Let's see what happens.
Here, let's a little someone.
Alright.
I love that.
You don't look like a female of my species.
Oh, no.
You laughed at that, sir.
What did... Okay.
Whoa.
Sorry.
Don't even think about
I
it.
had to.
Don't touch me.
She's fun size.
Tell him a
She's
joke.
fun.
Exactly.
How he likes to get around, climbing on the wall.
Are you taking video? Oh. Turn the audio off when you listen to it. Oh, bounce. What time is it?
About 1:08.
You have 20 minutes.
22 minutes.
Disagree. Oh, I thought that was him. Come here. Oh,
I'm bigger than you. Wish I could make that happen with my hair just for
Yeah.
Wow.
He's jealous, I
sing, dance, and
Oh, it's
freak
stuck.
people out and laugh at them.
You. Careful. Hi.
I'm going to steal your iPod and listen to it. That's what I would do if I were a bird.
Oh, he's trying to touch it. Did you see? He's like, yeah. E.T. photo. Oh, it does not like you, man.
Get away from me.
He's buzzing.
I'm scared. I don't want to get any closer.
Here, you want me to try?
Good luck.
Oh, yay.
Don't get bit.
Oh.
Trying to peck at the phone.
I don't want to get any closer. I'm scared.
Thanks.
Pretty scary bird.
I wish I could, like, do that.
I wonder if we can hang out the two and two.
What? Oh, yeah, there it goes. You laughed.